In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google One. We will walk through each click together so you know exactly what to expect on screen. First, open your browser and search Google One. On a computer, this might be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. On a phone, it could be the browser app you normally use to look things up. In the address bar at the top, click once, then type the words Google One and press Enter. After a brief moment, the search results page will load. You should see several results with the Google logo near the top, along with a short description mentioning storage or backup. If you do not see anything yet, give it a second for the results to appear, since a slow connection can delay the list. Once the search results appear, click the correct link and click Sign in the top right corner. Look for the result that clearly says Google One and has a web address that starts with the usual Google address. When you click that result, the Google One homepage opens, usually with a clean white background and colorful icons for storage and backup. Take a moment to glance to the top right corner of this page. There you should see a button that says Sign In. Click that Sign In button one time. A new page or pop-up loads with the familiar Google Sign In screen, showing a place to enter your email address and a Next button. Now log in using your standard Google account credentials. In the email or phone field, type the email address that you normally use for Gmail, Google Drive, or YouTube. Then click the Next button, and you will see the password field appear. Type your regular Google account password carefully here, since a single wrong letter will cause an error. When that is filled in, click Next again. If your account uses two-step verification, follow the prompt that appears, such as confirming a code or tapping Yes on your phone. After a brief moment, the Google One page reloads, but this time you are signed in. You can confirm you are in the right place because the top of the page now shows your Google account profile picture in the corner. The main section of the page shows your current storage usage in Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, usually as a bar or circle chart. Any active Google One plan appears here as well, with the total amount of storage your account currently has. From now on, whenever you repeat these same 3 steps, Google One will open directly with your information, as long as you sign in with the same Google account. You just learned how to search for Google One. Open the official site and sign in with your Google account to access it. If this helped you get into your Google One page, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Google tips like this.